Hey y'all, Nathan Rice here with the Airbnb course, and I'm making this video today because I was speaking with somebody in their mid-50s, and as you can imagine, someone in their mid-50s, parents are getting up there in age, and the conversation was, I don't have options. I can't afford to. I don't have any space in my house to have my parent come and live with me. I can't afford to help them out with the medical bills, with private nurse care, or let alone put them into a home. But I have a sibling who wants to put them into the home. They have a business, and it's just not something that my parent wants to do. And so I was having this conversation, and I thought, man, that really sucks. It's not having options. They would love to have their parent come into their home, live with them, have a nurse come in and take care of them, and just have their parent around them, but they just can't afford it. They just don't have the space, they don't have the money or the resources to do it, and they just don't have options. And so the reason I'm bringing this up, tying this into investing in yourself and investing in an Airbnb business, is you want options, right? Yes, you want the cool things that a business can bring, and all the bling and all the trappings of success and all that, the freedom. But at the end of the day, there's also just having options. And when you're stuck at a job that isn't paying as much as you're worth, you're left without options. And I really, really encourage you to start any kind of business and just make sure that you're setting yourself up to have options. I mean, you might be in your mid-50s and these are the kind of things that you have to look at in life, or you might be in your mid-30s, but time does run out. 2 decades ago you were a teenager, and now you might be in your mid-30s. 2 more decades, and you're going to be thinking about things like, how am I going to care for my parents? And I would encourage you, if you are at that point in your life, to start today. Don't wait another year or 10 or 20 years and be in this position where you don't have any options. Your parent can't care for themselves. And just imagine this feeling of having an abundance mindset and an abundance of options, and saying, hey, you know what, I'm just gonna buy a bigger house or move into a bigger house, and my parent can have one of the rooms, and I'm going to hire a nurse to come in 2 times a day and take care of whatever medical issues there are. But think about these things now, and I really, really encourage you to start a business. That's why I love this Airbnb business, because I know that if I just open up another property, I've got another $1,000 a month coming in, passive cash flow. And so just kind of want to leave you with that, and just make sure that please set yourself up for success. Time does go on, and it's just very, very important. I don't want you in the same kind of situation where this person was. It was heart-wrenching. So anyway, if you want to learn more about doing Airbnb, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn more about how to do Airbnb, we've got a free 3-part video series. You can click on the link in the notes of this video here. And my name's Nathan Rice with the Airbnb course, and I look forward to talking with you soon. Thanks.